Understanding cryptocurrency wallets.
Cryptocurrency wallets are digital tools that allow you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Unlike a traditional wallet that holds cash, a crypto wallet stores digital credentials, often called keys, which prove ownership and authorize transactions on the blockchain network.
Private keys, your digital signature.
Private keys are secret codes unique to each wallet. They act like a secure signature, allowing you to access and spend your cryptocurrency. If someone gains access to your private key, they can control your assets. Protecting your private key is critical to keeping your funds safe.
Public addresses and wallet use.
The public addresses are like your wallet's digital mailing address. You can safely share this address to receive funds from others. When you send cryptocurrency, your wallet uses your private key to produce a digital signature, confirming your claim over the coins without revealing your private key.
Seed phrases, the backup solution.
Now, the seed phrases are groups of words generated by your wallet when you first create it. This phrase can restore your wallet and recover your funds if your device is lost or damaged.
Digital wallet security features.
The secure digital wallets often offer features like encryption, password protection, and sometimes biometric access. Many users choose hardware or offline wallets for greater security. No matter the type, safe management of private keys and seed phrases is the cornerstone of wallet security.